In 1776, the British had concluded that the St. Lawrence Valley would remain French, as English-speaking settlers preferred to establish themselves in the 13 colonies. The American Revolution completely changed the situation. Starting in 1783, the 13 colonies formed a new country, the United States. Those who wanted to remain loyal to the king had to leave their homes and villages and move to British territory. These people were called the Loyalists. When they left the United States, they were harassed and driven out by their former neighbors who had chosen to create a new country. They came in large numbers to the province of Quebec. To avoid sharing a colony with the French-speaking Catholics of the St. Lawrence Valley, they obtained the creation of Upper Canada in 1791 with the adoption of the Constitutional Act. A few still chose to settle in Lower Canada. They established themselves in the Upper Richelieu region and obtained the creation of a new area divided not into seigneuries, but into townships, the Eastern Townships. After the American War of Independence, many Loyalists settled north of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie in what is now the province of Ontario. They profoundly transformed the face of Canada. The Loyalists, who spoke English and were Protestant, found it difficult to live in a province dominated by French-speaking Catholics. In addition, they demanded the creation of an elected legislative assembly. To meet their demands and avoid conflicts between the Canadians and the Loyalists, the government passed the Constitutional Act in 1791.